Imagine waking up one day and you can no longer sign into your TikTok account. You try to search for it and you cannot find it. And then it dawns on you that your TikTok account has been hacked. It is good to realize that if you don't take the necessary security measures to protect your TikTok account, someday you might lose it. If you signed up on TikTok with a phone number only, or you signed up on TikTok with an email address only, you are a very vulnerable person to have your account get hacked. So before you lose the account, it is important to know, why are people hacking accounts? Okay, why are the hackers hacking accounts? 3 reasons. 1, people these days are finding it difficult to develop accounts, so they opt to buy ready-made accounts. So a hacker will look for an account that has a good standing, has a good number of followers, because the more the followers, the more the money. So once they hack into your account, they unlink your phone number, unlink your email address, change your username, and a number of other tabs, so that you completely cannot recognize your account. Then it is told to somebody and you got no account. Second reason, accounts that are in regions that can be monetized. Friends are targeting these accounts because they know that when they hack this particular account, they can monetize it and they will be earning from the videos that they will be posting, because they themselves may be in a region where they cannot monetize their accounts. Number 3 reason why accounts are being hacked is friends are targeting those friends that have accounts that have a good gifting level. By virtue that you have been actively gifting, you have a nice gifting blue badge, they know that there are friends who are your friends that are used to you, and when they see you live, or when they see you a guest host on a particular live stream, they will come and gift you. So they hack into your account. They do not change anything except the phone number and the email and the PayPal account. And then they will join those active live streams where your friends are, and then when your friends gift you, they go and withdraw your gift, and you got nothing you can do about it. So it is important that you enable 2-step verification for your TikTok account. Now I'm going to teach you step by step how you can enable this TikTok verification, where you enable the 2-step verification for you to be able to secure your account. What do you need to do? First of all, make sure you follow me. If you find this video useful, like this video. In the comment section, let me know what you would wish me to help you next. So comment there the challenge that you are having, save this video and share this video to save 10, 15, 20 of your friends that will require this information, because TikTok is for all of us. Help a friend to help a friend. Are we together, amazing people? Let's get there right now. This is how to enable 2-step verification on your TikTok account to ensure that somebody does not access your TikTok account, neither can it be controlled on a different dashboard unless you decided to log into that account yourself. And even if you are the same person that is logging in and you have enabled 2-step verification, you will need codes from 2 different forms for you to fill in so that you can sign in or so that you can log in. You will need a code from your active phone number and a code from your active email address. So let's get started. Open your TikTok app. Once your TikTok app opens, there is the part called the profile right there. You can see home, friends, that plus button, inbox, and then profile. Please tap on the profile. Then when you click on the profile, there are 3 lines up here. Are you seeing these 3 lines? click on the three lines. When you click on them, if you are using the business WhatsApp, the orientation will look like this. But if you are using the other normal WhatsApp, look at the bottom right there. You will see three pieces of information. There is my QR code, there is creator tools, and there is privacy settings and privacy. So please select settings and privacy. But for this one that is the business one, please, we will select this part that is indicated settings. Can you see this settings icon right here? Touch on the settings. When it loads, you go specifically to security and permissions. Security and permissions. So please click on security and permissions, and you can see the security features of your TikTok account, security alerts, manage devices, two-step verification right there. And on this device, because it is off, we need to turn it on so that we secure our account. But remember, to turn it on, you need an active phone number and you need an active email address. So tap on two-step verification, and there you can see an active phone number. So make sure you check that box, make sure it has a red tick. Under the email, check that box, make sure it has a tick, and then please tap on turn on, and boom, your account is getting secured. And TikTok asks you two-step verification setup. Add to trusted devices. That is the model of your phone. Please tap on add so that anytime you are to log in, you're not disturbed. So there it is, two-step verification enabled. Phone number on, email on, password active, and that is how you make sure that your account is very secure. If you found this video useful, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and then like this video, and then watch out for the next video that will show you step by step how to link a phone number and how to link your email address in case you got any challenge.